México, 3 months.
Yes.
3 meses de embarazo.
Four.
Entonces, ya viene otra franquicia más, como si no pudiéramos vender suficiente, ¿no? Entonces, bueno, Maribel, welcome and thank you for being here.
Great. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Yes, so Ron MacArthur is going to be another grandfather. He's quite excited. Thank you so much for the introduction, Carlos. I just wanted to take a minute to just open up this morning and just welcome each and every one of you here. This is a very important investment that you're making in your business, this 2 days. I just came from Monterrey, Mexico, and at the franchisee, we had 30, so not as big as this group, but 30 franchisees, and they said this is the best training they've ever had and so worth the 2 days. So you are in for a treat over these next 2 days. Some of you mentioned to me I brought the cold weather from Canada. Yes, it's very cold here, I think. But I want to mention Carlos is an area representative. You are very fortunate as a region to have an area representative. Not many regions have an area representative, and what it really brings to the area is great leadership. You know, Carlos does a lot of things on his own time. Because he has a passion for this area, he has a passion for fellow franchisees, and he wants to see each and every one of you succeed. So he does not have, we're not paying him from corporate payroll. He is doing this for a lot just to ensure that this market grows, and it also contributes to everyone's investment. So definitely a very good program that you must take advantage of and work with Carlos on.